Okay, move this out the way, and I'll show you guys about this item I just got today in the mail. Let's see where I can open this up at. I've just been waiting so long for this. I ordered it off of Amazon. Make sure I'm getting a good view of it. Yeah, I'm getting a good view of it. And if this, hopefully this is not damaged, because I hate for it to be, because I paid $80. I'm taking the table just by opening it. Packed it real well. Don't want to show y'all my address there. I don't know how to open this thing. This box is confusing. I did get it. I knew it was my item. Well, how do they expect people to open these kind of boxes? Can't open it myself. It's hard. It's a complex box. Don't want to spill the beans. And this is a brand new item I got. It is by Huawei. It is Huawei's 4G LTE CPE router, and the model number, let me see, where is that? Let me find it for you guys, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. It's a Huawei E5186. It's got 2 phone ports, 4 LAN ports, 1 USB port, and power port for that. And it should have some more on the sides. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Well, there's the router. It's fairly large than your average router. Going to be careful with that. Got a little quick start guide. Well, this side. Safety information. Don't need that. And provides us with a internet cable, and unfortunately I apparently can't use this because this is not my type of plug. I live in the United States and this is a European plug. But I do believe I may have an adapter for this router. But I probably got one laying around here. But let me take it out of this packaging. Yeah, it's also has, okay, I'm going to show you guys here. It also has an option for 2 external antennas with SMA connectors. But I don't have any right now, so I'll be leaving that there. There's the USB, the on and off switch, 2 voice telephone ports, and 4 LAN ports with 1 optional WAN port, so if you had like an internet connection coming through here. And if you wanted to add like a USB storage drive, you could put it in the USB. I'm going to have to try and find a power cord besides this one, because this one is not the United States one. I think I can find one around here. Let me check what kind of cable they provide me with, though. Like if it's a Cat 5, Cat 6, I'm not sure. Let's see. It looks very similar to one I have. I think it may be Cat 5e. Still similar to Cat 6, but I'm glad I got the router. Also, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you guys. Here's the SIM card slot, and I think it is a micro, not a nano, but I'll see if it is the Nano, because hopefully it is. I believe it described as micro, so I have to get an adapter for the SIM card I have. And this is a Wi-Fi button right here, and then there's the reset button there, and then there's the WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup. So if you wanted to do that, I'll look at this cable real quick, see what kind it is. I cannot find it so far. I'm thinking it's a Cat 5e. I'm not sure. Can't find it. It's only saying like ETL and weird stuff besides the actual. Oh, it's Cat 5 UTP. Yeah, I probably won't be using this with it. And it might be decent for it, but it has Cat 6 LTE. It's got dual band Wi-Fi supported up to 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz dual band, and it's up to it says 100. It says 1,160 megabits, and the mobile Wi-Fi app you can get for this router, and you have better signal by having the support of external antenna. It's stating right there. Here on the side, I'll read the description. It says support LTE Cat 6, LTE Cat 4 as well. So dual aggregation if you wanted to. Support LTE 4 to 2 MIMO. Support Wi-Fi 8.2B, blah blah blah, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz dual band connectivity. And it connects up to 32 users, wireless users. I think it says up to max 64 users, intelligent Wi-Fi interface. Elimination algorithm is supposedly in it, and there's also a thing where it's saying it supports USB storage and supports VPN pass-through, convenient for small enterprises to set up private network. So this could be used in the enterprise if you wanted to, like your business or whatever. And it's you can also use it for, like I done said. It says use smartphone or pad to download Huawei mobile Wi-Fi app to manage the CPE more conveniently. On App Store or Google Play or iCloud for free download. So I didn't know there was a iCloud for another app store. Might check that out. Supports internal and external antenna switch for better signal when needed. It has 4GE and 2 POTS to support data and voice service, which is optional, voice service. But if you're like putting a SIM in here that was on your phone, you can get internet and voice and stuff. I don't know who what phone was. But here is a diagram of the everything that can connect to it, as well as the router. This is one tells you the adapter, which is right here, which I cannot use because this is the European version, and I'm not in Europe. And the printer port is along with the USB, as well as flash drive, as in USB storage, which I don't need that because I got Ethernet connected printers. And 5 is for the LAN ports. 6 is the internet port, which is the only one that has the LAN support. 7, laptop and all, tablet and mobile phone. It's just saying that those are devices that can connect through Wi-Fi. And then 10 is the actual router, the Huawei E5186. For some reason, my sister, she ordered it through her account, and it was showing it hadn't even been shipped out yet, or it was not ready to be going. And it arrived today, but I don't know why Amazon's thing's not working. The video cut out. Anyways, I'm going to ask her to contact Amazon about the issue, about it not being accurate on the location. Because I got it today and it wasn't even showing it was supposed to be ready for arriving. It was like 1/3 or 1/4 of the way ready. But that is the Huawei router I just received today, and I will post a link for it for the Amazon website, and if you're interested, you can go on there and buy it if you want to. I paid $80 for it, and I think they still have it $80 currently right now of this day. Hopefully it doesn't change for you guys if you want to buy it. But I'm going to test it out after I get the adapter plug for it, if I can find one around here. And I'll see if my sim works for this. And after I get up and running, I'll do a review of it actually in work in progress. Alright, see you guys later on the next video.